Hello kids, let me tell you a small story. Yesterday, two friends were solving a subtraction problem in the class. The question was 74 minus 38. One student started solving from right hand side, but suddenly he got confused. Oh no, I need to borrow from the next number. Then he forgot to carry properly and got the wrong answer. Has this ever happened to you? Many students feel confused when they have to borrow or carry in subtraction, right? But don't worry. Today we are going to learn a smart and easy method called LR method, which means left to right method. With this method, subtraction become very simple. So let's start and become subtraction champions. So let's see what is LR method. In the LR method, we subtract numbers starting from the left side instead of starting from the right side. This makes subtraction faster and easier to understand. So let's see. So our first example is 56 minus 24. So we want to subtract 24 from 56. So first look at the tens place on the left side. Okay, so we are calling it as 70 minus 20, which will be equals to 30, right? Now subtract the ones place means 6 minus 4, which will be equals to 2. So the final answer, you have to add both the steps. So 30 plus 2 will be equals to 32. It's easy, right? So let's see the second example. So 85 minus 32. So first, what you have to do? You have to subtract tens means 80 minus 30, which will be equals to 50. Second step, you have to subtract ones place means 5 minus 2 will be equals to 3. Then third step, add both the steps. Okay, so 50 plus 3 will be equals to 53. So our third problem is 92 minus 36. Here, first look at the left and right. Since 2 is smaller than 6, we borrow 1 means we can write it as 8 tens 12 ones. We are borrowing it from 9. So it becomes 8 tens 12 ones. So our first step is 80 minus 30 will be equals to 50. Then second step 12 minus 6. 12 means we are borrowing 1, so it becomes 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Then add the both steps. So will be equals to 50 plus 6 will become 56. Your final answer is 56. So now it's your turn. Okay. Solve this problem and answer me in a comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such maths video. Thank you for watching.